the open sky. I say, old chap, what a delightful job.
Yeah, deliver the mail and see the country at the same time. Boy, this is the life. Who could ask for more?
Oops, I almost missed a delivery.
Another personal delivery?
Special delivery down there.
Right on the old target. One special delivery going down.
Another satisfied customer. We're running a little behind schedule. You know what that means?
Do I have to?
You have to. After all, I'm the pilot and you're the co-pilot.
Ready?
Ready.
Contact!
Ah, now we've picked up a nice little tailwind.
Next time, I want to be pilot.
Hey, Vincent, look up there.
What do those two birds think they're up to? Nobody flies the mail but me, right?
Right.
Nobody flies over this desert but me, right?
Right.
A bit too low that time.
Somebody around here has awfully big feet.
I say, looks like a party down there.
Oh, gee, I love a good party. Let's join them.
Looks like they're joining us.
All ground, those birdies. This is my sky. Hey, who turned out the lights? This is it, birdies. Hey, he's not supposed to do that.
Don't look now.
So, they wanna play rough, eh? I'll show those stupid magpies who own this sky. This is the life. I feel like a boy. I didn't mean I wanted a boy. I just said... This will slow you down. Hey, that guy's in the mail business too. Look. Return to sender.
Enough of the dilly-dallying. We have mail to deliver.
Stupid magpies! Wollen Steine Arzt und rugen die wie Steine Watson nach einer Wut. Ja, finished.
He looks swell, Vinny.
Never ever call me Vinny.
Yeah, Vinny.
Vincent. This will teach those magpies who delivers the mail around here. This guy's mine, and it's going to stay that way. Uh-oh. He's sending us another package.
I do think the chap's a little pushy, thinking we'd take a package that large. Good heavens.
That'll take care of those magpies.
Come on now, get off that thing.
Race it to the corner. Stupid thing isn't working.
We have mail to deliver. Stop playing around, Heckle.
Yours is a spoil sport, boss. You can have your package back now. Insufficient postage.
Don't think he wants it back, Heckle.
Stop! Not me! me, you idiots! Them! You're supposed to get them! Oh, no! Here it comes again! Got any bright ideas?
Ah, inspiration. That ought to do the trick. Here we go.
Wow! Just like the 4th of July.
Quite impressive.
That guy won't take no for an answer.
If he's that serious, I suppose we must oblige.
This is it, Birdie.
Neither sleet nor snow.
Shall stop the mail from going true.